Many men notice something confusing about their energy levels. During the day, everything feels normal. Work gets done, conversations flow easily, and the body seems to function the way it should. But then night arrives, and something feels different. Energy feels lower than expected, motivation seems weaker, and stamina, especially physical stamina, does not feel the way it used to. At first, many people assume it must be age, or maybe stress from work. Some believe the body is simply getting tired after a long day, so they try small changes. Maybe they take supplements. Maybe they drink more coffee to stay alert. Some even try exercise routines, hoping energy will improve quickly. But sometimes, the result is surprising. Despite trying harder to improve health, stamina still feels low at night. This creates a quiet question in the mind. If the body is otherwise healthy, then why does energy drop exactly when it matters most? Is it really fatigue from the day? Or could something else be quietly interfering with the body's natural energy system? This is where many misunderstandings begin. Because what happens during the night has a powerful effect on male hormones, metabolism, and energy production. In fact, some of the most common habits people consider harmless at night can quietly disrupt testosterone production, sleep quality, and stamina. And the surprising part is this: most men focus on what they do during the day to improve energy, but the body actually repairs, balances hormones, and restores stamina mostly during sleep. So when nighttime habits interfere with that recovery process, the body simply cannot rebuild the energy it needs. And that is why stamina problems sometimes appear slowly, without any obvious illness. But do not worry. In this video, I will explain which nighttime habits most commonly reduce stamina in men, how sleep and testosterone are connected, and what simple changes can help restore natural energy. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what your nighttime routine may be doing to your body. Now, let us understand this clearly and scientifically. The first thing we need to understand is that male stamina is closely linked to testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for energy, muscle strength, motivation, and sexual health in men. But many people do not realize that the majority of testosterone production happens during sleep. Research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that even 1 week of restricted sleep can significantly reduce daytime testosterone levels in healthy young men. This means sleep is not simply rest. It is a biological repair process where the body restores hormones and energy systems. So when sleep quality becomes poor, stamina often declines. One of the most common nighttime habits that disrupts this process is excessive phone use before bed. When people use phones late at night, the bright blue light from screens suppresses melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that signals the body to prepare for sleep. Without enough melatonin, sleep becomes lighter and less restorative. And when deep sleep stages are reduced, testosterone production also decreases. Researchers from Harvard Medical School have explained that blue light exposure at night delays the body's natural sleep cycle. This is a common habit doctors see very often. Many people believe they are relaxing while scrolling through their phone in bed, but physiologically, the brain is receiving signals to stay awake. Another important factor is late-night eating. Large meals late at night force the digestive system to remain active when the body should be resting. Instead of focusing on hormone repair and recovery, the body must process food. Studies published in the British Journal of Nutrition have shown that late-night eating can disrupt metabolic rhythms and sleep quality. This does not mean eating at night is always harmful, but heavy meals high in sugar or refined carbohydrates close to bedtime can disturb the body's recovery process. Sugar spikes insulin levels rapidly, and repeated high insulin levels are associated with reduced testosterone production over time. Another habit that quietly affects stamina is alcohol consumption at night. Some people believe alcohol helps them sleep better, but scientifically, alcohol fragments sleep cycles and reduces REM sleep. REM sleep is an important stage where hormonal regulation and brain recovery occur. Research published in the journal Alcohol Research. Current reviews shows that alcohol consumption before sleep significantly disrupts normal sleep architecture. This is why people sometimes wake up feeling tired even after many hours in bed. So far, we have seen that fatigue is rarely random, and this is where the real causes start to become clearer. Another factor many people overlook is caffeine intake late in the evening. Caffeine can remain active in the bloodstream for 6 hours or longer. This means drinking coffee or strong tea late at night may prevent the body from entering deep restorative sleep. The National Institutes of Health notes that caffeine blocks adenosine, a chemical that promotes sleepiness. When adenosine is blocked, the brain remains alert, even when the body needs rest. Over time, this pattern leads to poor sleep quality and reduced daytime energy. Smoking can also affect nighttime recovery. Nicotine stimulates the nervous system and increases heart rate. This stimulation interferes with the body's natural relaxation before sleep. Studies in the journal Sleep Medicine Reviews show that smokers are more likely to experience fragmented sleep and insomnia symptoms. And fragmented sleep again leads to reduced hormone recovery. Stress is another powerful factor that affects nighttime stamina. When the brain remains mentally active late at night, cortisol levels remain elevated. Cortisol is the body's stress hormone. When cortisol remains high, testosterone production can decrease because these two hormones often work in opposite directions. Researchers publishing in endocrine reviews have described this balance between stress hormones and reproductive hormones in detail. The body simply cannot prioritize recovery if it remains in a stress response mode. This is why nighttime relaxation routines are extremely important. The good news is that improving stamina does not always require complicated treatments. Often the most effective solutions involve restoring healthy nighttime habits. Going to sleep at a consistent time allows the body to maintain stable circadian rhythms. Limiting screen exposure 1 hour before sleep helps melatonin production return to normal. Eating lighter meals in the evening reduces metabolic stress on the body. Reducing caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime allows sleep cycles to recover. And simple relaxation habits, such as light stretching or quiet reading, help the nervous system shift into recovery mode. When these habits improve, the body's natural hormone balance often improves as well. Energy becomes more stable, sleep becomes deeper, and stamina gradually returns to healthier levels. If you learned something new from today's video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to BrightCareHealth for simple, natural, and science-based ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.